You're not even on the fact that you just... I've got some snips in my pocket. It's going the wrong way, but it doesn't matter, does it? What's that noise there? It sounds like that drive shaft's on a tucking way.
It's not, it's a plate or something rattling.
When you've finished, just give him a flash and he'll pull over. And then we'll just chop it and put it out of his misery. I love that.
He's not hanging about.
Right, I'll stop this now and we'll just get him to...
We'll let him go down there.
He's gonna go left. Oh yeah, let him go and just give him a flash in a bit. I thought that was a police car pulled up, then I was going to piss myself. When we get past here, give him a flash. Did you see that fella? He let on to him, that fella. Just stop now. Look at the pure looks he's getting.
Video them.
That's a belter.